Mountains. Mountains cover about 25% of Earth. They are made of rocks and soil, and they are much higher than the land around them. They form when underground plates crash together and push the land up. This takes millions of years. Record-breaking mountains. The biggest mountain chain is the Himalayas in Asia. Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, is in the Himalayas. Everest is still growing about 5 millimeters every year. The longest mountain chain is under the ocean. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge under the Atlantic Ocean is 16,000 kilometers long. The longest mountain chain on land is the Andes in South America. Why do people explore mountains? Geologists look at the rocks in mountains to learn more about how Earth was made. Some mountain explorers have found metals like gold, silver, copper, and tin. They have also found precious stones like rubies and emeralds, and rocks like granite and limestone. Some mountain plants, like the snow lotus, are used to make medicines. Mountain archaeologists look for ancient remains on the top of mountains. In 1999, Constanza Cerruti from Argentina was exploring 6,739 meters high at the top of the Yuyeco volcano between Argentina and Chile. She and Johann Reinhold found food pots, gold and silver statues, and 3 Inca mummies that were 500 years old. Mountain explorers. Mountain explorers often want to be the first to climb a mountain. A Frenchman called Antoine Deville climbed Mont Aiguille in the Alps in 1492. Later, some people gave explorers money to climb mountains to see what was there. Michel Gabriel Paccard and Jacques Balmat climbed Mont Blanc for a prize in 1786. Another French explorer called Marie Paradis was the first woman to climb Mont Blanc in 1808. The first people to get to the top of Mount Everest were Edmund Hillary from New Zealand and Tenzing Norgay from Nepal in 1953. About 2,000 people have climbed to the top of Everest, but more than 200 of them never returned. Modern explorers try and find new ways to climb it. The first woman to get to the top of Everest was a Japanese climber called Junko Tabei in 1975. In 1992, she also became the first woman to climb the highest mountain in each of the 7 continents.
Discover!
The youngest person to climb Everest